Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Adriano and we are here today to talk about artificial intelligence and data science. I can imagine how challenging it is for someone get started with AI today. And I feel the same. I got started a few years ago when I start to make my own AI assistant to help me with a few tasks in my practice. But today it's completely different game. So there is so many, actually it's a good thing. There is so many other opportunities. There is so many different AI models, platforms. It's more affordable, but in the same way, there is a lot more information. It's hard to get started. So I will give you one advice if I can. We're going to put a few videos together, but one of them is the best way to understand and integrate artificial intelligence in your business is actually understand data science. Is actually understand data, why it's important, how can I collect, how I have a good quality of data. Okay, so data science is not new, has been, it's a beautiful field actually. I love the way the data is, the process of the data to analyze the data is like you get the data and then you get the analysis and then you have a story to tell about that solution you're trying to create, that problem you're trying to resolve. And from that story, and then you create insights and that help you to take decisions, data-driven decisions, make the right decisions based upon those data that most of the times they are customized data from a specific field or a specific target. Anyways, it's beautiful how important is the data and how it has been using. I am orthodontist, so we use a lot of data. We have even like 100 years ago, we have like the patient's records, dental casts, x-rays, intraoral pictures. We use all this data to take decisions every day in our practice. And it doesn't matter what type of doctor you are, what type of industry you are, you have so many data to analyze and take the right decisions. So that's why I'm talking here about data, and why data is important for artificial intelligence. Data, the evolution of the data science, they have a few peaks that you really made the difference in how we use today. One of them was the cloud computing, when all the data that we have physical went to the cloud and then become a lot of easier to storage, to transfer, to analyze. So this was a huge change. And then with all the internet, mobile devices, come the big data, when we're starting to create data every day, all type of sources, all type of data, audio, videos, and tests. So, and name it, there is so much data that we have today, and how to analyze, how to use all this data. And then come the artificial intelligence. It's just a tool to analyze data to help us to make and take decisions. So I think in this way you can understand in a very short video why data is important, why it's connected with the AI models. And the AI models, when come for example, the generative AI, they generate new data based upon a pre-data that was used to fine-tuning or to create that AI model. That's why it's really important. If you want to make a juice is the result. If you use a juicer, it's depending on the quality of the orange you have, you will be the same quality that you're going to have your juice. So it's a simple analogy, but you understand that you have a poor data, you don't have a very clean data, if you don't have a quality data, your AI model can be the same most advanced model. They will not generate, they are not delivering outcomes, outputs that they can be used, and we can be trusted. So that's where come your job. Depends on your business, we are generating our data. in our practice every day, all the time. More you understand how you can use this data and how you can already prepare this data to integrate it in your new AI system that you want to build. Okay? So invest some time now. We are going to share more videos about data, how structured data, how most of the data we have actually in the world, they are unstructured. So they are not prepared to be used to AI models. How can we transform that? So I definitely think that more and more, every career, every profession in orthodontics won't be different. We will be more kind of a data scientist, you know, and we are already, but now we more and more will use this extra level of insights, you know, using data to help us to take the right decisions. We are going to keep taking always the final decisions, but the more information we have, more data, more models helping us to see further, to take the right decisions, the better it is. So I think it's a great way to get started, you know, understand more data science and how can you use your own data and how you can analyze those better, those data to help you with your business if you are in the process to start your own model or integration AI in your organizations. Doesn't matter which level you are. I think it's a great start. And you can keep following us on YouTube channels, Instagram, and also our main source is our website, Ortho.i. We have a great training for people who want to get started with AI. Is our design sprint. So in a few days, actually, you can have all the information you needed. You actually has the opportunity to come with a problems, and we together come with an AI solution, and you can even prototype and starting to have some real results. So it's a great way to get started. So there is many different ways, but I'm happy to be here and sharing a little bit of our information. I wish you guys a wonderful day, and I see you around until our next video.